Hey, what's up, everybody? Tanvir upon here. Today we are going to learn how we can create a half-tone portrait effect using Photoshop like this image. So let's jump into Photoshop. So this is the image we are going to edit. First of all, go to the menu bar and select image and then mode, and then select the grayscale, and then again go to the menu bar and select image, then mode and select bitmap, and now select the output to 96 pixel per inch, and we'll use the halftone screen method and then press OK. Now we'll set the frequency to 17 lines per inch, and you can choose any shape from it. There are a few: round, diamond, ellipse, line, square and cross. We'll select the round and then press OK, and boom, this is it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then press the like button. Now stay focused and keep learning.